more about the Filipino users, but there's one thing I have learned since I've been here. There's no reason that the Philippines cannot be the best Twitter country in the world. We firmly believe that Twitter is a better service with more people use it. And from what I've seen here with the enthusiasm among all the Filipinos that we've met, there's no reason that you can't represent the best of Twitter to the rest of the world. So there's one thing I would ask of you guys tonight is go out and tell your friends, tell your family, tell everybody you know what kind of service Twitter can be to them. And we will come back. We will be back to Twitter. We will be back to the Philippines. Yeah, so you guys are the evangelists. Twitter is all about people. We would not be here. Twitter would not be a service without people like you guys. So that's the most important thing. And we are really gracious to you. We were not prepared to answer questions tonight, for sure. I think that's painfully obvious. But I must say that this is very humbling, and I really deeply appreciate your love for the product, and I would love to see you guys help us by evangelizing that to the rest of